So, hello everyone. This is my, I guess, day 24 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I'm recording my video in the pleasant weather, I guess. Yeah, of course I would say that thing because I'm experiencing a cool wind, cool air on my face. So yeah, I am experiencing that thing. So let me show you my background wherever I'm recording my video. Just see. Everyone is doing their things, and I want to show you the couples that are just in front of me right now, and I can just see them. Yeah, so welcome back to our video. How are you doing today? So it's around 8 p.m. I guess. Now I'm recording my video, so I don't think that I'm being late, because I think that the recording video is the mandatory thing, and like it is the compulsory thing. It doesn't matter what the time you are recording your video. Wow, what a shot! So yeah, I am just praising the shot that has been played by a batsman that is being behind me. Here's a bowler that is heading to the pitch, and here's the batsman that is getting to march back. I can't see kahan hai wo. Let's see. Okay, he is taking the stance, and hope everything will be okay. So yeah, see, he has missed the chance to hit the six. So coming to our topic today, I think that I should put my opinion on CJP protest. Why it is happening? See, the real cause. The cause is the most important thing, and everyone is supporting the cause. That everyone have to be accountable of what they are doing, on that position. I'm not asking only for any specific person to get resigned. No, if you feel like from yourself that you are not doing good, you are not accountable to your work, then please step down from your position. It will be a win-win situation for both of us. See, you have enjoyed, you have fulfilled all your wishes as you are the MP, MLA or whatsoever, any member of parliament or member of legislative assembly. But just spare the children now. Why are you just sucking the children? Sorry. Why are you just sucking the life of children? Don't do that, because they are innocent. They haven't done anything wrong with you. What have they done wrong with you? Nothing. They are just asking for their basic needs to conduct a fair exam. What are they asking more? They are not asking anything regarding, apart from that. They are just asking their basic need. They just please conduct the exam peacefully. Please conduct the exam in a fair manner, without any false action or behavior or any mishappening. But you don't understand that thing. You are just so atrocious, so arrogant on your position that you are afraid of being resigned, because you know that if I will resign here, then every member of the ruling party, and I won't tell the name. Okay, I'm not afraid of having anyone. Okay, every member of the BJP government will be responsible to step down because of their actions that have they done in their past. Just see about the Nitin Gadkari, who is just experimenting all the things with the people, with the innocent people. We all know that how lovable the belongings is for us, and just in case if you experience that something bad is happening with your belongings, maybe your car, maybe your bike, maybe your truck or whatsoever, then who will be responsible for that? If you will get damaged that your most lovable belongings, who will be responsible for that? No one. Apart from only one person is responsible here, that is Nitin Gadkari. But we all know that the party is so arrogant, the party is so adamant that they won't take accountability. And if by any chance, okay, I will record my video in a second part, but I will complete that thing what I'm just saying. I was saying that the people and even the political leaders know very well that they have done very wrong with the people in the past, so they have to step down as the basic need, as the basic morality is saying that thing. But they are so adamant, they are so arrogant in their own way that they won't step down. Instead of that, what they will do, they will call you anti-national, they will call you anti-religion, they will call you terrorist. What the bullshit is this? I won't take that word. I won't speak that word here because my audience is very innocent. So yeah, just think about that. They will call you terrorist, they will call you anti-national, they will call you anti-religion. I mean, what? They're just asking for the basic need, just give it to them now. Why are you again and again just proclaiming the same thing? That kind of agenda. Maybe some of my viewers who is dear to the ruling party may get offended, but I want to stop my video here because I am I am living in my country and I have the freedom to express my opinion, express my views on anything. That's the fundamental right, and I'm just doing that thing. So if someone will get offended, so please, in my opinion, please do correct your views. Please do correct your opinion and just rethink about the ruling party, that what they have given to you. Apart from religion basis, no. Religion basis I won't include here because I want you to just think from your heart, not from your mind. Because if you will think in that way that okay, we have to choose less sinner. Okay, I am agreeing with that point. But do you think that in terms of choosing a less sinner, I am not asking you to oppose. I'm not asking you to elect the opposition party. No, I'm not asking you to do that. Instead of that, we can elect. We can choose the nota, because we all know that every political party is corrupt. And what happens if we will choose the less sinner, and they will just fulfilling their wealth. They will just being the problematic for the youth, for the entire youth, for the people that is living around the country in the India and whatsoever, because they are taking the bad, they are taking the undue advantage of that. They know that we have no any other options apart from them, so they are just taking the false benefits. But we don't have to think in that way, because we are Gen Z. We know that we can do in a better way. We have to think from your mind at this time. We have thought enough from your heart. And if anyone is lovable to the dear party, lovable and dear to the ruling party, then every time his or her heart will say that the ruling party is the best, the ruling party is the best. But please, it's my urge, it's my plead, just to for a second, please think from your mind, please, and you will know, and you will get the answer definitely, that no one is good. Literally, in the video that has come to the internet has taken my heart, that what they are doing. When I was in my childhood, I thought that I will become police. But now when I am just looking the video right now in the internet, that deeply saddened my everything. That I was deeply saddened that what they are doing with the students, and some of them will just turn out to me and say that okay, but what the people have done to police, क्या वो मारेंगे तो लोग छोड़ेंगे? Just listen. They are also following the protest, CJP protest, and they are speaking about the Biharis. They are out of the league. Bihar is not for the beginners. We must say that thing, because police have put down the barricade to defend themselves, and they have just stole the barricade. And police have just left the water cannons. They have just started dancing. They are playing tug of war with the rope, and they even broke the gate, which police was using as a shield to protect themselves from the crowd. Even in that area where the protest has been held in Bihar, police have to say that please, it's a peaceful protest that is happening in Delhi right now. That people are asking for the police that please, police, don't do that thing, because we are doing it peacefully, in a peaceful manner. In the same way, in Bihar, police have to urge to the people that please don't do this. It's a peaceful protest now. So yeah, I was saying that क्या अगर आपको मारेंगे तो आप छोड़ेंगे उसको? क्यों छोड़ेंगे? किसी भी चीज़ को एक हद तक बर्दाश्त करो। अगर वो हद पार हो जाना तो फिर बेहद कर दो आप। अगर वो हद पार हो जाए तो आप भी बेहद कर दो, चाहे वो बेहद किसी भी सेंस में करो। एंड आई एम नॉट प्रोवोकिंग एनी वन टू मेक इट नेपाल, बट इट हैव टू बी म्यूचुअल ना। अगर आप एक साइड से देख रहे हो दैट पीपल आर टेकिंग अनड्यू एडवांटेज ऑफ यू, तो आप चुप रहोगे ना, कुछ नहीं होने वाला। ये 2026 चल रहा है। वो गांधी जी आज़ादी ले गए, उस टाइम पे 90s का दौर था, उस टाइम पे अंग्रेज सुनते थे। समझ में आई बात? तो मैंने तो अपना पॉइंट रख दिया है। एंड इफ़ यू आर एनफ इंटेलेक्ट, हैव सम काइंड ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेस इन यू, देन प्लीज़ रीथिंक योर ओपिनियन, योर व्यूज़ एंड एवरीथिंग विल गेट क्लियर। सो ये वीडियो काफ़ी लंबी हो गई है, लेकिन मुझे बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी था बिकॉज कल फिर से प्रोटेस्ट होने वाला है, और ये बहुत ही बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट होगा, मार्क माई वर्ड, बिकॉज ये पूरे एंटायर इंडिया में होने वाला है। इवन प्रयागराज में आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई एक भी सड़क होगी जहाँ पे ट्रैफिक नहीं लगा होगा। सो एवरी यूथ इज़ यूनाइटेड against the ruling party, what they have done in the past, and they deserve it. They literally deserve it. And if you have anything to say, then comment section is open for you. Have a nice day. See you on day 25. कल तो protest है, बट मैं नहीं जाऊँगा क्योंकि आई एम वर्किंग एम्प्लॉय, और मे बी मेरे साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है। मे बी आई विल गेट डिटेन्ड, सो it is not the good thing for me and for my company as well. So I will prevent myself from going to that place, but I will support online. That is the thing that I want to say you here. See ya. Bye. Take care.